Do you want a cheap and easy way to keep what you do on the internet anonymous and secure? Try ProXPN. For $6.25 a month, you can safely surf the web anywhere in the world. Do you travel a lot? With ProXPN, you can even get on websites such as YouTube and Netflix that are blocked in some countries. Devices currently supported with premium membership are Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. ProXPN, keeping you anonymous since 2009. Try today. Link in the description below. So today I'm going to show you the Wii U / Nintendo Wii regular, Wii Remote Plus Mario. These are pretty rare right now, brand new. Went to Kohl's and this was there. And I'm like, oh god, these used to be 60, 70 bucks when they first came out. And they lowered them to 65, and then they lowered them to 50. And I looked on eBay, and brand new ones are going for 65. So I could flip this for a pretty hefty profit if I wanted to, but I won't. This was the only one they had, and I went to another Kohl's and looked, and they had none of these. And this one was $11.99, and then after tax it was like $12.58 or something like that. It was in the $12 range. It wasn't that much, and I freaked out, and I snatched it up. Anyway, I can't make that joke. Don't want to get demonetized. But yeah, these, I always wanted one. I'm not a diehard Mario. It's not like I see Mario on a product and I have to get it. It's just I knew how rare Mario things become and how people are so attached to them that if it's on sale, they'll spend full price for something that's Mario. If it's not on sale. Like when these first came out, I remember they couldn't stop selling them. And then after about a month into it, people just stopped buying them. They started buying them used. And I'm trying to figure... I don't want to rip the box, because if I do plan on it someday, reselling this bad boy, I want to keep the box with it. But it looks like the box does not want to comply. But yeah, this works with the Wii and Wii U. And the price was right. That's all I can really say. And it looks like I am damaging this beautiful box. So if I ever do go to resell it, yeah, I just damaged this box. Oops. Like, I see a little thing right here. What? Maybe you have to do it. Maybe you just have to. Anyway, the back of it has Mario's hand. All the information about how simple and easy and intuitive the Wii Remote Plus is. And this has the Wii Plus, Motion Plus built into it. And that's another reason why people really love these at first. Until they realize, oh, all it is it's the M with the Mario buttons, red, black mustache, and then blue back. Which I think is... I'm not a really big fan of red, but Mario pulls it off. I'm not a big fan of red at all. I don't even like Big Red the drink. I think it's disgusting. It's like watered down cherries. Yeah, that's not the way you were supposed to open that. Although it might have been. That's so much freaking tape. Yeah, they had so much tape. Well, whoever buys this in the future, I apologize. I'm still keeping the box, so it's too cool. And I'll just re-glue it. Ooh. Something very interesting I didn't notice is on the back, it shows it has a case on it. And I didn't notice that. It has the... This takes you way back, doesn't it? The Wii remote controller instructions. And it comes with batteries. Most things don't come with batteries these days. It comes with the protective case. I like that. Does the protective case also have a blue back? No. No, it doesn't. So if you want to see the blue on the back, you have to take the case off, which is funny because I have one of these cases, and this is an off-brand case. Does it click the same way? Ooh, tight buttons. Power button. Power button's kind of hard to access because they have that little nudge around it. But yeah, it smells so good. And it does come with batteries, Panasonic batteries. The black and blue Panasonic batteries do not last that long. They're at the Dollar Tree. These ones last a while. Tight buttons. And it's got the Mario M, the Wii logo, and it says Wii Motion Plus inside, which is unique. B button, A button, minus plus home, speaker, and the 4 how many controllers are connected. So I would have the white, I have a rock candy blue see-through, and then I have another white but it has a black case instead of this red case. It's a black one. One thing I like about this, one difference is the sync button is right here on the back. You don't have to take the batteries out to get, you don't have to take the battery cover off to get to the sync button. The only thing that's really bad about this, the only thing I absolutely hate about these protectors, protective silicone cases, is that you have to take it out and then get the batteries and then put it back on. And after a while, silicone warps, and then you'll see these sides start coming up, and then it'll really get in the way, because whenever you go to touch a button, you'll have to push down to get it to stay down. And I guess you could try and put it in a freezer with something on top of it to get it to retighten. But then again, after a while, it'll do it again. But that's really the only bad thing. But I'm surprised it came with a case. That the cases alone used to be $10, and when it first came out, the cases were like freaking ungodly, like $25 and $30 for your Wii Protective Wiimote case. I don't want to damage this beautiful thing. I'm so happy it came with a case. It means I can keep people's fingerprints off of it unless they're mine. But yeah, for $12, I'm like, holy crap! I wanted to get the Luigi, and I think they had a Bowser and a Princess Peach, and a Waluigi colored one, and a Wario colored one, if I recall. And I wanted to get those two to have like a complete collection, so I could resell for like $1,000 brand new. Holy crap! That back, it's lighter. It's lighter than an original Wiimote. And the back is like, it's got a textured finish, and it's not this hard plastic from the original Wiimote. It's like I don't know how to explain it, but you felt this before. And the B button does have the B on it. But yeah, that's cool that the sync button is right there, but you have to get like a pin. Or you could just take this off. And there it is in the original spot. But I think that's brilliant. And I do think I see the Wii Motion Plus in here. If you look closely, you can see a connector for the Wii Motion Plus. But then again, I feel like the Wii Motion Plus was just a fake gimmick, and that it really did nothing, because I couldn't even tell the difference when I had my Wii Motion Pluses. I had 2 official ones and an off-brand one, and they both work the exact same. Off-brand and the 2 officials. And I even tried to compare it, and even did video capture card tests back when they had the CRT capture cards, and watched them back, did slow motion. There was no difference, but I do love this. I think if you can get this for $10, $11, $12 new at any store, go for it. I don't care how old it is. These things are only going to go up in value just because Mario and the colors and stuff. For some reason, people love that stuff years after it's gone. And young boys that grow up to be men, and young girls who grow up to be women, eventually like, hey, I remember I had a Wii when I was this old. I want to go get a Wii, and I think I had this, my favorite controller ever, and they get nostalgia, and then they start spending all kinds of ungodly amounts of money on old stuff. I've done that too on Rocco's Modern Life bootlegs, and then they finally came out with it, and then I supported it. I definitely supported it as soon as they brought the DVDs out. But when they weren't available, it's like, what else? How else are you going to watch a show you want to watch? I could be dead by the time they bring it out. Or they might bring it out when I'm an old man, and it's like, oh, I don't have any time to enjoy it. But yeah, putting these back on, it's pretty easy. And another thing I've always loved about these cases for the Wiimotes is they have that little dust protector that you can, in your nunchuck spot, you just push it in there. But yeah, this is a great one. I even love how the strap is red and blue like Mario, and it has Nintendo on the little flop. And I'm glad it came with a strap. It came with a silicone case. Came with the instruction manual. This cool wrapping. Batteries. And this amazing cool box. All for $12. I think that is great. It's amazing. Like I said, if you can get one, grab it.